Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on improper to mixed fractions. In the previous video we saw how to change mixed fractions to improper fractions. In this video we will do the reverse. That is, we will start at an improper fraction and convert to a mixed fraction. Now here's the simple rule. Divide the numerator by the denominator. This gives you the whole number. The next part, the remainder is then placed over the denominator. So let's look at example 1. Change 8 over 3 to a mixed fraction. So the solution, you divide 3 into 8. That is, you divide the numerator, which was the 8, by the denominator, which is 3. So 3 divided into 8. Now 3 into 8 goes twice, so 3 2s are 6. And there's a remainder of 2. Okay? So in other words, 8 over 3 gives us 2, and then the remainder is placed over the denominator. So 8 over 3 gives us 2 2/3. So check that the above answer is correct by converting it back to an improper fraction. So very quickly, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 is 8, 8 over 3. Example 2, change 14 over 3 to a mixed fraction. Divide 3 into 14. 3 into 14 goes 4 because 3 4s are 12. The remainder is 2, so the answer is 4 2/3. Example 3, change 29 over 7 to a mixed fraction. 7 divided into 29 goes 4 because 7 4s are 28. The remainder is 1. So the answer is 4 1/7. Example 4, change 58 over 9 to a mixed fraction. 9 divided into 58 goes 6 because 9 6s are 54. The remainder is 4. So the answer is 6 4/9. So remember, it is always a good idea to check the answer by converting it back to an improper fraction. So this has been a very brief video, and we've seen how to change improper fractions to mixed fractions.